Dinga, 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 ding.
Hey!
Hello. I'm gonna make biscuits for my teachers.
What are we gonna do?
Make some biscuits for my teachers.
Yay! Yeah! ¿Con qué? Muéstrame con qué. Wow, ¿y qué más? ¿Y qué más?
Butter. We're gonna put everything in here and we're gonna mix.
Cool.
Super genius! Mixing. First the butter. Then we pour the water. And now our cookie mix.
Sí.
Nice.
Great.
Yes!
Now mix.
Okay, mix, pues.
This is almost done, guys. Now we need a tray. Super genius! Dinga, dinga, dinga. Dinga, dinga, dinga. Dinga, 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 ding. Now with our hands clean, we're gonna make little balls like this.
Awesome!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we put our ball on the tray.
Super genius!
And we do like this. Now we ask Mom to put it in the oven. Dinga, dinga, dinga. Dinga, dinga, dinga. Dinga, 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 ding. Now they are done. Super genius!
Yum, 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 yum.
It smells delicious.
Yeah!
Let's try one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Goodbye.